All right, something simple just arrived, and this is a calendar system. Now, I'm going to show you a couple things which you can do. You're going to need your cell phone. It's compatible with Droid or also compatible with iOS. So either way you can use it. But one of the great things about it is that not just the calendar, it has a lot more features. We're going to take a look at it. Let's zoom in and see the actual features that are available here and what you can do with your actual phone. All right, first of all, you're going to have to set up this to your Wi-Fi. It's going to probably do an update on the system. You are going to need the companion, which is your phone. All right. In order to connect to the system, you got to give it permissions. All right. Either your Google, Yahoo, or any other device that you have either emails on, you have to give them permission. All right. So that's one thing. Now, I choose to have one dominant, all right? But you can do it, you could change it around. So in a way, when you want to send calendars updates, you can send it from your phone, all right? Now, if you choose to do collaborate between the two, you can do that. So if I make any changes here, it will make them to the phone. But if I delete stuff here, it will delete to the phone too. Now, I choose not to do that. I choose only to be the dominant from the actual phone because I want to be able to control this stuff. My phone's going to be the dominant, so that means my phone's going to delete and add additional calendar updates, all right? Now, not just the calendar. Let's go into details. First of all, you get the tasks, all right? You got a task manager here, which is if you have something to do, you can set it up on your calendar system. You can use your phone. It'll send it out through there. Your rewards. This is a workout, painting, art, pretty much hobbies, activities, pretty anything you want to set this up on. It's a great way to do it. Now, list, if you to-do list or grocery list. Recipes, of course, this is very popular. It's going to be utilized a lot. So you can set this up in your kitchen corner, and every time you need something like that, there you go. Meals, this is a great thing to have. So now I started a diet. I want to be able to monitor my intakes. And right here, you have snacks, dinners, lunches, and breakfast. You could just click on it and start typing away, or you could do it from your phone. Photos. This is not just a calendar, but it's actually a picture frame too. It's a great thing to have also. And then you have your sleep. So if you want to set this up into your sleep mode to turn off completely, you can set up the hours here and here. And of course, you got settings to make more changes to it. One of my favorite things, honestly, is the photos, because this could be on your wall and you could just have guests come in and take a look at some of the stuff that you have. This is a great addition. Now, calendar is very important to me because calendars is how I get to do certain things. So right now, if you go on my calendars, it has a to-do list, all right, on the calendar. The calendar actually syncs up with my Google calendar that I profiled, that I set up, and I was able to sync up. Everything in here gives me notifications, including in the calendar. Now, this could rely on your phone, on your desk, or if you guys can see it, it's made like a triangle shape. It does have audio for alarms, audio. Now, it does have a little ledge, so you could put it like a bookshelf, or if you want to lean it down to where it's facing up mostly, where nobody's going to see it but yourself, you're in your own office, you can do that. Now, you don't need that little setup because it already has a triangle where it automatically stands up. This thing does require power. It has a actual sensor because in night mode, it completely turns off. Any kind of motion, it comes back on. Now, they do give you this mount. This is a mount where it actually just stands in there. There's plenty of room for the actual connection. Two holes, you just mark them in the actual drywall and you set this up. This pretty much could hang in any wall you want, as long as you could actually have some sort of power source, all right? Now, personally, I'm going to set this up on my desk where I'm working at because I want to be able to see my calendar information, any upcoming events I have to go to. Or not only that, as a content creator, I create a lot of content. This is where I'm going to start adding my content in here, what to film, to-do lists, what I need to take on the field, and so forth. So if you guys are looking for a calendar, nice little box setup, this is probably it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.